It's such a
Yep.
perfect time to maybe a reset button that we need to press. And, is there some other options out there? And we are seeing some that right now, yes, I have, I'm down to 20 years on my mortgage. I'm down to 15 years on my mortgage, but I'm struggling with payments. And because I'm making those payments and they're going to be going up, I have credit cards that are going up. I have lines of credit that are going up. I'm
Yep.
sacrificing my savings. I'm not contributing to my RSPs anymore because of these other things that are going
Yes.
on. In a lot of cases, what we're looking at right now is what's a right now solution, right?
Yep.
Instead of that 15 amortization, go back to 25, go to 30 years sometimes,
Hmm.
and let's come up with a right now solution. And let's work with a lender that's not going to lock us in. So we're not working with an ultra low rate lender that gives us you see them online. Hey, we got a 6 month 3.99. Well,
Right.
that's a 6 months at one rate, and then the rest is at a higher rate,
Yep.
right? So we're not working with those lenders. We're working with somebody that lets you allow you to maybe double up your payments, maybe add an extra 10 or 15 or 20% of your original amount borrowed. So we can get through some of the tough times that we're in right now.
Yeah.
And then down the road, you can increase those payments. And that's where we work together, and come up with those strategies of how are we going to save you money, not just today, but long term. So that payment shock, you're not pulling the kids out of sports. You're not pulling the kids out of school events. There's a lot of those things that, maybe I'm on the back end of it right now because I've got kids that are going away to college. My kid's going away to college next year, and you kind of see those. But you only have your kids for a certain amount of time. The last thing you
Yes.
want to be doing is sacrificing and pulling them out of some of those extracurricular activities that they love to do just to make the mortgage payment. So that's where let's look at some of those strategies and what are some right now strategies and how can we mend those with forever strategies.